Any industry that has to measure anything from temperatures, power to product has to have instruments to ensure all volumes are accurate. Even the slightest amount of inaccuracy over time can cost a business a great deal of money. In TSTC's instrumentation program, students learn to install, calibrate, run, and repair these very essential instruments. You will get hands-on training with actual equipment seen in today's industry. You may also have opportunities to gain industry experience through our internship program. Upon graduation, you will have a great number of choices from chemical plants, petroleum refineries, power plants, and even food or makeup processing centers to choose from for your career. Our students have gone on to work for top companies such as Phillips 66, Luminant Energy, and Encore as instrumentation design specialists, automation, analyzer, or instrumentation technicians. Jobs in Texas will not be hard to find, and good pay will not be either, as precision instrument and equipment repairers average over $60,000, and electrical technologists on average earn $69,000. Plus, this program is part of our money-back guarantee program, meaning if you don't have a job within 6 months of graduation, you'll get your tuition back.